Drive for the maiden voyage today. Gotta get this crud off the windshield first. Once more unto the breach. This will make 10 gallons. And that ought to be enough to get me to the gas station for the first time in about 20 years. See how far we can go. Got some oil, 2 cans of beer. Fill it up. Noticed back at the parts store she got a little bit of a smoking problem. Maybe it'll even out with some driving. Just trying to smooth out a little bit. Still got that sputter, but I think it's just a matter of needing to be driven. Maybe it's got some crud built up on a valve or something other. It's smoking a little bit, so I'll see about changing the oil, seeing what comes out of there. Get down, Finland, get down the boo. Something. Let's make a mess. A real mess. And my phone's already busted. I had hoped that it was just a little bleeder problem, but that right there is probably why there was a wheel cylinder in the trunk. So I got 2 on order. Get these back wheels off and get them up to be replaced. I don't got too many miles left on them. No. I don't know if that's original or it's been replaced. I'd say it's probably original. I know fella's been in there messing with that. It ain't too bad. Got a little crunchy right here. I think that'll clean up. A lot of this is just a layer underneath the undercoating. That'll have to be fixed. Gracious. Check out this other side. Yeah, she's leaking now. I can get it off. Oh wow. It's all new. New hardware on it. New shoes on it. New wheel cylinder, but that's a standard byproduct of sitting. Man, those brand new brake shoes. y'all see this brand new stuff in here?
Yeah.
Brand new. Ain't even wore the paint off of the springs. Brand new wheel cylinder, didn't even rust.
So we just need to get new tires?
Well, I'm gonna put wheel cylinders in it. That's this little piece right here.
Yeah. Yep.
Because that one on the other side's leaking.
Yeah.
And generally speaking, if one side's leaking, the other one's probably gonna be
Yep.
shortly behind it. Yeah. Let's go drop these off at the tire place.
And then when we get back, we can do our video. Yeah. Well, we still had to bring the new tires. Yeah.
All right. One-man show. So the spitter sputter is still a thing. I hadn't drove it, obviously. So I went ahead and picked up a new coil. I'm just throwing money at it at this point. So we'll see what that does. I'm moving along so fast this morning, I forgot what all I was supposed to do to it. Put that back on there. We'll get the brakes squared away. Got the coil on there. What else was there? There was. Now I done forgot where I set my parts down. Oh yeah, the wiper blades. I got a valve cover gasket around here somewhere. I done forgot where I laid it. Oh well, we got the wheels, tires, the brakes, the wheel cylinder. There it is right there. So ordered one pack, and the guy sent me 3. So can't complain about that. At any rate, I really prefer to keep my original, the actual blade there, as opposed to putting that those new things on it. And what's cool about these is, I mean, they're original. This was back when you could actually put refills on it. And so I think I got the right ones here. And I used to do this. The girl at the parts store says, well, why don't you just buy the replacement? And I said, because it wouldn't be the original wiper things. Well, what does that matter? Well, I mean, I guess in the great scheme of things, it doesn't, as long as the water's wiped off your windshield. But That's kind of like asking somebody when they go to replace their tires, why don't they just go buy new wheels? And I'm sure there's probably somebody that makes enough money to do that. But I would rather have my original hardware. I had to shorten that up. That took entirely too long. They were all bent up. And I still got to cut off the excess. But the little clip holds it on. And my point is that the little girl didn't know. She knew about refills, but she didn't know the value of them. And how can you know what you have never had? In other words, she's lost something she never had. So what does she know? All she knows is to go and buy a wiper blade for $25. When there was a time you could buy a refill, keep your original hardware, all for about $3. So how do you show somebody? And what does it matter? I guess ultimately, what does it matter what she's lost? She don't miss it because she never had it. So whatever. Got the wiper blades done. Got the coil changed out. Got the tires and wheels on the back. Got new wheel cylinders in it. And got the brakes bled. So, next thing's next. Crank it up. Did I ever tighten this back up? No, I didn't. Let's do that. I think I will go ahead and crank it from out here just to see if there's anything unique occurring that don't need to be occurring.
It's a very little.
We got lots of projects, don't we?
Yeah.
What would y'all say to maybe not today, but for the next video, doing a deep scrubbing in the Maverick?
Yay. Yes.
Yeah?
That sounds fun.
Yeah. We might pull the seats out of it and
See if there's any baby rats.
get the rat turds out of it.
I hope there's rats in it and cozy cozy.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like that.
Battle of the rats.